shoe shop over there still open. Alright, if you lose your shoes or break your shoes, you can go and get another pair over there. So it's going to be a bit quiet now this way. You've got the Rose and Crown there. That's a good bar. I don't know if they've still got entertainment on. I should imagine so. You get a bit of entertainment in there. Looks pretty full in there. That's a good thing about some of these bars shutting. The bars that are stopping open get more people in. There are a lot of bars shut up here though. Is it still worth coming to Benidorm these weeks? You can get a cheap flight, you can get a cheap apartment. Of course it is. KFC there. I've never ever seen that place busy. 3 people in there. I think that's about as most I've ever seen in there. There's 1, 2, couple going in, with a guy over the back. That's about it. All the decorations up Broadway shut. Yeah, I think winter's come. Not 3-0 surely. Looks like it. Everton scored again. The new Spas in Benidorm, of course. One of the guys that got it right. They're still open. There's not like shutting anytime soon. Many people in there. And they've got the bull in if you want to ride. Well, I'm allowed to say that. Yeah, I was going to see what else is open.
I recognise your voice.
Okay guys, more fans there. Anyway, we're going to walk on. I'm not sure if she was a fan of mine or sounded more like Nigel. So what are open? Same as last year I think. Benidorm's open. Really friendly bar that one. Have a great night in there. Couple of great nights in there last year. Oh dear. Didn't get home very early neither. That was one of the mornings I slipped, shot in below us, get breakfast before we got home. And obviously Cafe B's still open. There you go. Even that looks a bit empty tonight. It's not the people about. You know, you can't normally walk up here like this. Okay guys, we've got the old Sinatras here. Still not had anything done with it. I think that's going to be years and years and years before that has anything done with it. Right, I'm going to take back what I've said. It's happened once or twice. They'll put some bits up round the door there. Some frames. Maybe at last I can start doing it now. The skips have gone. Or have they given up on it? This one, bird cage, used to be. It's been stripped out. Another one's just been left. Both these bars are supposed to be having bars come in. So if you know any more about that, let me know, because I've not heard anything. And Night and Day still open. Still got a few in, they've got a football on. You're always going to get a few of the football on, aren't you? I know it's 2-0, 3-0 to Everton now. Fighting for their lives. And the wrong end of the Premier League. I think they'll get away with it myself. After the big deduction in points. Woody's bar over the road there. That's open. Few in there. Good to see. Right guys, we're going to head back down the strip now. Strip. There's 2 bars open, I think. It's winter though, isn't it? It's just before Christmas. Nobody comes. The ideal people are probably getting ready for Christmas in the UK and can't afford it, maybe, I don't know. But if you can, I'd recommend you come over now. We still get some decent days. If you look at the probably 10, maybe 10, 11 o'clock now, before it starts getting warm. And then it depends on what the day's like, to be honest. 4 o'clock, yeah, make sure you got a jacket with you. Usually it gets very cold. I'm going to put it on pause a minute. I'm going to go down the other end. Yes guys, so there are only 2 bars open on the Benidorm Square now. Oh yeah, it's pretty. Every house just gone on holiday. I say holidays, they've just shut till next season. Do I blame them? Probably not. Supermarket's still open there. Silver Dollar. It's still open. Silver City. Get me dollars and cities mixed up. We've not got the Everton game on in there. Tottenham and I can't remember who they play. West Ham. Is it? Anyway, mate. Guys are still here protecting the place. Silver City. Okay guys, don't forget we're trying to hit that 6,000 subscribers. So if you got this far and haven't subscribed, please do. Be much appreciated. Okay guys, see you on the next video. Bye.